welcome to the Welding Spring Virtual Open House. I'm here with our welding instructors, Dallas Roberts and Mike Wagner. Dallas, tell us a little bit about you.
My name is Dallas Roberts. I've been teaching welding for about 26 years. Part-time. I'm here in Madison for the last 5 years. Enjoyed it very much. Had some good students over here. Everything's here at Madison that you need to learn with and get that first job to enter the welding field.
All right. And Mike, what about you? What's your background?
I've had about 20 plus years of welding experience, mobile certifications. I've taught here at Madison Adult with Dallas. This is our 6th year. I also teach the Manufacturing Technology Program here at the high school. So it's a great place to work, great place to learn. So.
Okay. Now, Dallas, you mentioned that this is a great program to get that first job in the welding field. So what do they do to prepare for that?
Well, we provide multiple certifications. We provide 4 certifications for someone who wants to enter the field. And that's a big advantage to
Sure.
for somebody looking for work.
Okay. What kinds of certifications are they?
Well, we offer certifications in every major welding process: flux core arc welding, shoulder metal arc welding, gas metal arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding in all positions, either fillet welds or groove weld welding certs. So.
And the program's about 9 months long,
Yes.
630 hours.
630 hours.
Yeah.
Yes.
And we do have multiple start dates throughout the school year, so if somebody doesn't get in the fall class, sometimes there's an opportunity to jump in January or February.
Yeah,
So you guys keep things rolling, and from the admission standpoint, this is one of our most successful classes because it's always full. We almost always have a wait list, and guys and gals are getting jobs, when they graduate.
A lot of need out there for welders
Yeah.
in the Mansfield area.
Definitely high demand.
One other thing I'd like to mention is the high school diploma program.
Oh, right. That's a good point. Here at Madison, we have what's called the Adult Diploma Program. And a student that's at least 22 years old, doesn't have a high school diploma or GED, can enroll in that diploma program. There's some entrance requirements, and once they meet that, they take your program. And it's a shortened version, right? It's just
Yes.
one certificate.
Yeah, it's 2 modules, 2 welding modules, and 1 welding certification.
One certification. And once they complete those 2 modules satisfactorily and earn that certification, combined with their entrance test, we can submit that to the state. They not only get their cert, they also get a diploma from the state of Ohio.
Absolutely, it's a great way to earn your diploma.
Yeah, we've had several students take advantage of that because it is free for the students. It's all paid for by the state. Once they complete that, that makes them eligible then to enroll in the long-term program. They kind of just pick up right where they left off. They can apply for financial aid and help get some funding for it and finish the whole program.
One thing I'd like to say is I know a lot of people's apprehensive about how they're going to pay for the program.
Yeah.
I would say come here and see the girls at Madison, and if there's money available, they will find it for you.
Yeah.
Okay, that's why they're here. So don't be afraid to come ask.
Yeah. So our next welding program will start up in September. If you're interested, make sure you give us a call, 419-589-6363. We'll get you on our interest list so we can get some information out to you in May. You can also check our website, www.mlsd.net. Look in the departments under Adult Ed for all of our programs.